Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Word 2016 video lesson series. In previous tutorial we have learned about how to insert text, how to save document, how to open existing document and some font option like background color, coloring your font and formatting text. In this video lesson we will be learning about more useful stuff like formatting paragraph and stuff. So let's get started. First, let me grab one paragraph of text from internet. So, I am searching Gandhiji on internet and I will grab one paragraph from Wikipedia. So, I am just copying it, or I can go to any other website. I'm just copying paragraph by pressing Ctrl+C and pasting it by Ctrl+V. We will see copying and pasting in some other video lesson. So this is paragraph which I have copied from the internet. I am reducing font size and giving it style of Times New Roman. So this is my paragraph. I am removing this link. Now it is perfect, one paragraph. Now let's see what we can do with this paragraph. So these are some paragraph options. We will see one by one. So first one is align text left. This is currently left align text. So if you want to align your text differently on different side, then you can do it by these three options. Currently my text is left aligned, but if I want to make my text center aligned, then this center option can be used. So first select text and click on particular button, so it will be aligned as per your demand. So here it is center, here it is left aligned, and third one is align text right. So it will align to right side. Now as you can see, this paragraph is left aligned. One more other option is this justify option. It will justify your text in complete document. It will not left align or it will not right align, nor it will center align. It will justify in your page. So this is justification of your paragraph. Now let's see how you can indent your paragraph using other options. So this option is for special indenting. Click on this drop down arrow and you will find three options. First one is none, which currently I have applied. Second one is first line. So if you select second line, then it will indent first line like standard paragraph format. So this is first line indenting. If you want to hang your paragraph and except first line you want to indent other lines, then you can select this hanging option. So it will not indent first line, but it will indent all the line after first line. So this is indenting. Now let's see how you can space between line. You can add more and more space between this line. So go to this space option, line spacing, it's called line spacing, and select the space size which you want to use. For example, if I want to use 1, then it will be set accordingly. If you want more space, then you can use this 1.5 to 2.5 as per your need. So you can see what effect it leads to. You can also specify line spacing option. Click on that and you will see many options are there. You can customize it. Like you can set your alignment, your indentation, you can specify it in centimeter, and you can also customize your spacing between lines. So these are the some paragraph related option. You can use it accordingly your usefulness. Thank you very much.